Christine Hill. I'm from Druin, Australia, and I have type 2 diabetes, or I'm working very hard at not having type 2 diabetes. Well, I was already plant-based, but I was a bit stuck in terms of losing weight and keeping my blood glucose numbers down, and I was getting really frustrated. And I saw one of the little, webinar sessions that Cyrus and Robbie do, and something really just compelled me to book the call and find out more. And yeah, so I decided to join up for one-on-one coaching and with my wonderful coach, Marco. And yeah, for 6 months, and it really, really made a difference. It was the answer I'd been looking for. Even though I'd read the Mastering Diabetes book, it was just the that accountability was just that weekly check-in where made all the difference. I don't know at times whether Marco thought he was making much of a difference, but he did. He really made a difference to just keep me on track, have a conversation every week. And and that was good. And I actually reread the book whilst I was doing my coaching over the 6 months as well. Yes, the blood sugar was up around sixes and sevens, but I also very much was, and I'm still on my weight loss journey, but I was also losing weight was also a key part of it as well. So, yeah, they were the main two focus. It was the recipe combinations, like making the big salads. Just it was tweaking, taking the fat out of the diet and controlling that. Like I still use Chronometer. I still log what I eat, and that really made the difference. And Mako and I'd have conversation around just minor tweaks, and it's been like interesting to understand some of the things that you would think were healthy. It was like, oh wow, I didn't realize it had that much fat in it, so you'd have to either remove it or restrict it. So it was those sort of conversations. And we actually also talked about a lot about growing our own food as well, and trying different fruits and all those sorts of things. Well, my blood sugars are still now in the mornings, they're usually in the fives, and after exercise they'll go down into the fours, so that's good. I've kept the weight off and lost a few more kilos, so I'm now down to 86 kilos. So I've got 2 more kilos to go, and I will weigh the same weight as when I graduated at 21. Really, really good. I reset, during the 6 months, I reached the goal weight I'd set, which was to lose 18 kilos, and I've reset that again. So I'm aiming to get to 70 kilos. That's going to happen this year. So yeah, that will be really life changing for me, because I would have been I was probably that weight in my teens. So I was very good at losing 3 kilos, and I'd put it back on. So I'd go up and down, up and down. And sometimes then I'd just go up, up, up. And then I'd get frustrated and lose some weight. So, yeah. I now know what to do that will, maintain it or keep keep losing. There's and the best part about it is like you're eating really good food, and unless it's highly fatty, like you don't even have to worry about the quantity you eat. Like I love making a really big bowl of salad and yeah, putting the ground up flax seeds on it. And yeah, it takes for ages to eat, but it's really good. Before was I think it was in sevens. The after it was 5.7. I wanted it to be 5.6, but it was 5.7, and my cholesterol absolutely just plummeted down. So yeah, my doctor just put that down to the weight loss, but yeah, I knew better. Every day I love walking with the dogs, and one of them just jumped up on the bed. He's back behind me. Um, but yeah, I walk the dogs every day, and I rejoined the gym, so that's really good. So, and I'm retired, so every day's a good day. My story, like it's been a lifelong journey, my getting to this point, and I guess I would say don't give up. Just if it's one thing's not working, explore something else, try something else. And like I'd been plant based for probably 2 years before I found the mastering diabetes, and that was a really good answer. Um, but you've got to find what works for you, and don't give up. It's never too late. So yeah, try it. I would say, yeah, particularly if they've got diabetes, I would say to them, try mastering diabetes. Like you'll get really great support. It's a great community, and you won't regret it. Be true to yourself. Um, Embrace it wholeheartedly.